children, welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is nature in art. Our topic is nature in art. Nature in the broadest sense is equivalent to the natural world, physical universe, material world, or material universe. Nature refers to the phenomena of the physical world and also life in general. Nature is both all around us and deep within us. We are inseparable from nature. Our bodies, lives, and minds depend on the air we breathe and the food we eat. The earth sustains our very life force. Without the earth, without nature, what would we be? The earth sustains our very life force. Without the earth, without nature, what would we be? Artwork on nature can take many forms and serve many purposes such as flowers, plants, trees, botany, animals, cells, anatomy, bodily systems, weather, geology, matter, energy, fossil, with any of the natural sciences like water, fire, environment, conservation, natural history, processes, evolution, birth, growth, aging, decay, and climatic change. Common denominator of all the nature art is careful use of color and decorative design. The common denominator of all the nature art is careful use of color and decorative design. Children, now let us consider some forms in nature art. Children, now let us consider some forms in nature art. Number 1, nature in art can take many visual forms, from photorealism to abstraction. Art can mimic nature by seeking to visually replicate objects as they actually appear. Art can mimic nature by seeking to visually replicate objects as they actually appear in real life. But abstract painting can also take their visual cue from actual forms in nature. Number 2, art with a purpose. Number 2, art with a purpose. Art can open our eyes to the intricacy and beauty of the natural world. Art can open our eyes to the intricacy and beauty of the natural world. It can simply be a pretty picture. It can simply be a pretty picture that appreciates nature for what it is. Or it can be a challenging piece expressing our complex human connection to nature. Art can serve a purpose beyond being an object of beauty. It can also address pressing environmental issues. It can also address pressing environmental issues and topics about conservation, sustainability, preservation, biodiversity, and threatened habitats. Art has the ability to interact with and educate the viewer about these issues. Spreading awareness about such important topics. Art can help renew or spark a new connection with nature. Art can help us to become more conscious of our true relationship with nature. Art can help us to become more conscious of our true relationship with nature. The best way to feel connected with nature is to create art based on nature. Unplug yourself. Go outside and tune into your surroundings. Feel the wind upon your cheek. Observe the vein of a leaf. Sit against the trunk of a tree. Watch a river flow, etc. Making art from nature returns us to our natural roots. Making art from nature returns us to our natural roots, bringing the artistic process, back to basics. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.